Plants.
About the plant. 10. Long
Long
one.
yeah.
You want the long one?
Yeah, can also.
Exercise one you want. Like this long 10 exercise one.
Okay, also.
I go and find Then I wash and then I give to you.
Okay.
I need to find.
Okay.
My father one.
Your brother stay here or other?
My father same like you. Fat more than fat you. Like you fat are there.
Stay there or?
They already buy the house. So they another house. So a lot of them they put here. They ask me to take for the recycle or donate out. So I think my father like this very fat. I think you can. You like it cruise. You cruise there like it fat. Then another one is very tall. 1.8 something. 1.8 something.
Very tall.
So I sorry I need to.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Miss Lo. That's my friend. Guys, so my eggplant got already my eggplant, guys. But yellow yung dahon, guys. So my flower. Oh, so nice. You see, so nice, guys. So nice, my flower. Another one. See. Oh.